Hello friends, hope you are doing well. In today's video I will show you how to create a complete registration form using PHP, MySQL and jQuery Ajax. I will show you step by step how to create the form and how to send the data using jQuery Ajax and how to do the validation using PHP, and if the validation is successfully done, then how to save the data in our MySQL database. Okay, then let me show you the demo first, and then you decide you want to watch the video or you don't want, because time is very important. Here I will start on clicking the register button. See, the validation is done using jQuery Ajax, and the response will come from PHP. Name is required, email is required, and password is required. When we are refilling the name and email, see, page will not refresh. When you click on register, see the error gone and only password is required. Okay, we will refill the password 123 and click password must be at least 5 character. Okay, and for 5. Okay, then confirm password is required. In confirm password 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and register. See, registration run successfully. Let's check our database. Okay, see, name, email and password also encrypted and status is equal to 1. And this is at the end of this video you will be able to create this wonderful registration form. Okay, enough talking, let's start coding. Okay, first let me show you the project structure. Okay, the project structure is very simple. Only we have one assets folder, and inside of that we have connection.php and register.php. In register.php we are using our registration form. In connection we have our code to connect to database. In assets we have the css, image and all. Okay, let me show you which design I am using. Okay, I am using the material dashboard UI. I will keep the link on the description of the video. This is the material dashboard has a free and also the paid version. I'm using the paid version, but you can use the free version also. See, if you go there, I will put this link on the description. If you go here, then you have login and you have register. You can download the material dashboard from their website, and you can use. Okay, and even I'm uploading this project to my GitHub. You can clone from my GitHub and you can use it. Okay, then we have only assets, and we have connection and registration. Okay, register.php. In register.php, here I copied the HTML and I paste here the HTML. See, I will show you. This one is only this nav bar. Okay, it is not important for us, this nav bar. And here what is important is starting from the form. Okay, we have a form which contains this form, and inside of that form we have, like, okay, this is the header, and what is from here, it is our work will start from here. We have a name input field as a name. Okay, see, input name equal to name placeholder. And one important thing is here, don't forget this one. Okay, in my previous video which I explained the jQuery Ajax and how to do the validation using jQuery Ajax automatically, I showed how to keep this one and how our jQuery Ajax will automatically render the error message here. If you didn't see that one, I'm keeping the link on the description. Click on that link and learn how to do the jQuery Ajax in shorthand and how to do the validation automatically. Okay, and keep this one small tag here. And one more thing, more important thing, see, id name error. See, our input is name and our small id is, see, name error. For email error. For password error. Okay, we have name, email, and we have password and confirm password. Okay, see, for even for C password, for confirm password, the input name is, see, the input name is C password, but for its error it will be C password error. Okay, and we have one register button. Okay, our form will close here, and we don't have anything else. And don't forget, when we are doing using jQuery Ajax, okay, our form should has a unique name. Okay, see, we have registration form. Okay, this was about the UI part. And okay, then let's start sending our data to PHP and store the data and do the validation. Okay, in last video I showed you how to do the jQuery Ajax in shorthand. It was, I showed you write CS Ajax. Okay, when you write CS Ajax, I hope you saw that video and you created your own Ajax shorthand and your JavaScript snippets. If you're not done yet, please go and watch that video and create your own the Visual Studio Code snippets. Okay, when you click on CS Ajax, it will generate this much code. Okay, I will not explain this code because in the last video and while I was teaching the jQuery Ajax in shorthand, I explained this code line by line. Okay, again, the video link is in the description, and you can see it again and again and learn it. It was in there I said like, if we write once, we can use it multiple time. Okay, and here okay, I generated this code only by writing that CS Ajax, and here we will do okay, then okay, when we generated this one, then we will paste our form ID. Okay, form ID, our form ID is registration form. On submit, okay, we will get the data of that form. I explained this line by line in that previous video. Okay, you can go and watch that one. Okay, here what we will do, okay, I want to append some data. Okay, data dot append. I hope you know this append method of jQuery. Okay, I will put one action, and the name will be register. Okay, I will use later this value, and here the URL where you want to submit this form. Okay, we will submit this form to our folder name, PHP tutorial. Okay, that is our folder name in htdocs. Okay, and there where we will submit register.php. okay, in the same file we are submitting. Okay, and here is our Ajax syntax on success, what we are doing. Okay, and I explained this line by line to how to disable the submit button and how to enable it again. And even I explained this one line by line how we are doing the validation automatically. If you learn that video and you spend around 20-30 minutes, okay, believe me, it save your days of time. Okay, you save lots of time. Please go through that video and watch how I'm doing these all things. Okay, see, then this part is for doing the validation automatically. Okay, without writing the code for each fields. This one will do automatically. I explained all these things for you. And here is our response. This one is the success response, and this one the failure. Okay, right now I'm using the twist or not twist. In twist or if the success the response is success, then we are writing twist or dot success. Okay, response dot message. Okay, this message we will send from our core PHP. Okay, this one will be error. Again, if you don't know how to do this code again and you're not understanding, please go through that video and watch that one, and then come back and continue. Okay, then our Ajax syntax and our Ajax is ready. We are submitting the form in register.php. Okay, then let's go at the beginning. At the beginning, we are submitting the form here. Okay, we will start our PHP. First, we will check if the action is coming from that registration form or not. Okay, and if a set of $_post that I created one action, okay, of action, okay, equal to register, okay, then only come here. Okay, see this register, see where I put that one. I appended one field with the name of action, action register. Here I am using that one. If action equal to register, then this code will be executed. Okay, here the first step we will include our connection.php. okay, our connection.php, okay, we included this one. Then okay, that included. Then we will the data is coming here. Okay, data is coming as in the post. Okay, using post method. Then we need to fetch our data. Okay, $name equal to $_post of name. Okay, we will duplicate this all. This will be for email. Okay, this is like, I don't want to waste your time and my time. Okay, I will copy paste. Okay, and see password. Okay, confirm password is like this. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, you know how to fetch the data from the post of name, post of email. This is the name of our fields. Okay, here we will do the validation first. Validation. Okay, in I will show you how to do the validation using core PHP. Okay, I created one snippets for PHP, and that is CS validation. Okay, that already I kept in that video, and you can go through that jQuery video, and even you can download these snippets from my GitHub. The GitHub link is also in that jQuery Ajax video description, and copy that one and create for yourself the snippets. Okay, see my snippets, I will show you. Configure user snippets. If you come here in PHP, see I created a custom validation. Okay, another one is custom response. Okay, you can also this code is in my GitHub. The link is in that video in the video description. You can go and copy this one. Okay, and here, okay, see how snippets save our time. I will write only CS validation. Okay, only like this. See this much lines of code. Okay, this one will work like this: $name. Okay, this validation already I explained in that jQuery Ajax video, and here again, here we creating one array. I will explain again here. Okay, we are creating one array, and here we are checking if empty of $name, then error status equal to 1. Okay, and the message will be name is required. Okay, we are doing the validation using core PHP. Then this one is like at the last, if there is error, we are assigning that error status equal to 1. If there is error, then it will through the error it will send the error as JSON format. Okay, Here we did only for name. Okay, I will duplicate this one. Email. Okay, the name is email. Email is required. Okay, another one, password. Okay, password is required. Okay, then see. Okay, I will refresh this page. I will okay, see here, we are doing the validation. Name is required, email is required, password is required. Okay, see, I will click on registration. Name is required, email is required, password is required. Okay, see, if I'm removing the password, okay, we'll refresh the page and click. Only name is required, password required. Okay, if I write the name, then only email is required. See, all our field is the validation is done. We are doing the validation from here. If you learn these techniques and that jQuery Ajax and shorthand techniques, okay, then believe me, you save days of your life, your time, and you don't need to write these things anytime you are submitting a form, anytime you are doing any validation. Even for these things, I have been created for myself snippets. Anytime I'm using the validation and submitting the form, then I'm using that one. Even these things also I'm not writing, and now I'm writing because I want to show you how I'm doing these things and how I'm copying pasting, because as a developer you should know all those things. Okay, how to, everyone is doing hard work, but these things is we have to do smart work. Okay, then password. Okay, then password is required. See, password is required. And not okay, then for confirm password, what is the role for confirm password? First we will check, okay, the password linked. For password link, do, and if not empty. Okay, if it is not empty means there is some value, then we will do like validation for password link. Again we will check if str link, okay, of the password less than 5. Okay, if it is not 5 character, then we will throw this one error. It will be for password must be at least 5 character. Okay, you see. Okay, see, name is required, email is required. I will refill the name, and password is required. Password I will type 1 2 3. See, password must be 5 character. Okay, this is the way how we are writing the code and how we are debugging and how we are doing the validation. You should know. Okay, don't go and write everything, and the end you will not understand what is going on. Write line by line and do the validation as I'm doing. Okay, here see, for a password we did at least it should be 5 character. Again we will copy this one and we will paste. Okay, if not empty of password, okay, then if not empty of password, again we will check. Okay, if empty of the password. Okay, here the validation I'm doing for confirm password. If empty confirm password, okay, then right here confirm password is required. Okay, see, password is required 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, See, confirm password is required this time. See, and right now maybe you'll ask how we are checking the password, and same password will be same. Okay, here we will check if not empty of password and not empty of confirm password. Okay, then check if, sorry, I don't want to type too much, dollar password equal to not equal to confirm password, then the we are checking this password and confirm password the same or not. Okay, if it is not, then we will show like password and confirm password does not match. Okay, we will write our password and confirm password are not same. Okay, see, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, confirm password is required 1 2 3. Password and confirm password does not match. Okay, it is not same. If it is okay, then if it is same, what will happen? If it is same, then this will not be executed, it will come here. Okay, validation successfully. If the validation is done successfully, then what we will do here, we will save our data. Okay, if confirm this is not empty and password is not less than 5 and there's confirm password and password is same, then it is coming here, the code will come here. Here what we will do, here we will insert our data. Okay, for inserting the data, first things we need is to prepare our query. Okay, query equal to insert into our table name is users. Okay, and which fields we are saving. Let me show you the table structure. Okay, this is the table structure: id, name, email, password, status. Okay, let me do one things. Let me empty the table. Okay, name, email, password, id is auto increment, and status is also by default that is 1. Okay, we will save the name, email, and password values. Okay, see here for value what we will do. For value, the name is string, it is varchar. Okay, the name is varchar, and the email is varchar, and password is varchar. We need to save it as a string. Okay, here we will do like this. Okay, dollar name, see, again we will do here the name came, then we need to prepare for the email. Okay, see, name, email, and password. This the name is also will come as a string, the email also will come as a string as password also. Okay, one more things don't forget. Okay, we need to save the password as encrypted. Okay, the password should not be readable. We will create a variable as the name of something like new password or hashed password. Okay, like hashed password equal to md5. Okay, we are using md5 of password, and we are saving this the hashed password. Okay, the hashed password. Okay, our query is ready, then we need to execute the query. Okay, I will create the result equal to see, here we have one connection. Okay, is variable $con of query of QRI. Okay, you know these things. Okay, these things is the basic of PHP. Okay, here our query will be executed. This one will return true or false. If true means data inserted, otherwise it will return false, data is not inserted. Okay, another snippets which I created is custom response. Okay, CS response. See, CS response. If result means if it is success, then it will come on success message. Registration completed successfully. Okay, otherwise the response will be, the response message will be registration failed. Okay, registration failed. Okay, then we are sending that response to our jQuery. See, there's a response will come here. That response will come here. See, on success this response will come on. Then we are checking the status equal to, this is for error. Okay, see, this is for error status. If the validation is error, then we are sending this one. Error status equal to 1 means there is a error, validation error. And if otherwise it will come here. If the status equal to 1 means it is success, then it will come here. If otherwise a failure, then it will come here. Response message, these messages we are sending from core PHP. See, this is the message which we are sending. This is the message status, and also the message we are sending from here. Okay, then now you understand how we are doing the validation, and this is how we are saving the data. Okay, then let's test our program. See, nothing is in the table. We will refresh the page and we will open the console, because if the error is there, then error will show here. Okay, I will do the email. Password is required 1 2 3. Password must be 5 character. Okay, 4 5, and again we'll do 1 2 3. Confirm password is not same, 4 5. Okay, then we will click register. Registration completed successfully. The form cleared. Okay, let's check our database. Okay, see, name Liaqatali, email and password hashed and status. Okay guys, congratulations, you completed a registration form using PHP, MySQL and jQuery Ajax. The jQuery Ajax also, the validation is done automatically, and we are doing the validation using core PHP, and we are sending the response to our jQuery Ajax, and jQuery Ajax we are doing the validation automatically. I hope this video be helpful for you, and you learn how to create the registration form. Please watch that another video, that jQuery Ajax. It is very important. That was the first video which I made for jQuery Ajax and in shorthand and PHP. That is very helpful, and please go through that and create your snippets, guys. At the end, I want to say that when everyone is doing hard work, but less people are doing the smart work. Okay, and here I'm showing you how to do the smart work, and how to do the validation automatically. All those things you will learn. Okay guys, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Have a good time, guys.